Did you just wake up and realize you want to be a ninja when you grow up? We do. But you ask, how will we practice? Good question. First, we're gonna build the world's best target so we can practice the ancient techniques of Mortal Kombat. Fuck me. Action. If you're strapped on cash, just look for a pile of wood and knock on the door and see if it's all good. And if it is, you can build an axe target with shit wood. Just a few rusty nails.
All right, so to make our axe throwing target, we need 6-inch slabs of 4x4. So we're gonna be throwing the axes into the grain. I guess it sticks better into the ends. So we're gonna cut this into 6-inch slabs. If you don't have a saw, just use Kung Fu.
Put the power back in the drill.
Gracias, senor.
You done, or you got a few more moves?
Exactly the center of each thing?
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
Angles, 45 angles.
The 45.
45.
Not 35, 45.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, apples getting squished. Yeah, take one of there.
Me apples are getting squished.
Yeah. Street piece called toenail.
So now we're just making the top piece so we can hang things, tie an apple or whatever you want to hang.
Easy. Yeah, perfect.
That's solid. That's the whole weight. Oh, yeah. It just looks wobbly.
I'm a pre-drill kind of guy. Okay?
It never hurts. Pre-drill. It goes in nice and smooth. You guys are giving me a hard time on pre-drilling. Well, I think this sign looks really stupid. What do you think?
Nope. So we're gonna try and knock it off. You get 2 chucks, I get 2 chucks.
Oh, wait a sec, I should be able to throw it. No, loosen it. Just throw.
You want
nothing to
want
say.
the nice camera out at a certain angle?
No,
Why not?
no.
Why not? You put all this time into making the damn thing.
Just do it.
Get the damn
Just do it. It's amazing.
Does it? Oh,
Yeah.
dope.
Got the wide angle on it. Oh, that was good. Here, get out of the way.
Sure.
I haven't taken no camera classes. I don't know where to go.
Oh,
Not quite.
baby.
Not quite. Oh yeah, you can't make it come off from pulling it out.
I'll show you how
Look at
it's
that.
taken out without wrecking it.
I can do it.
Can you? Don't. What are you doing? Look at that nice sign. What's going on?
One throw, one throw, one throw. Not quite.
Well, I said, oh yes. Here, you go get the one up top.
What? Oh yeah, it went flying over there. No thanks. Oh, not quite.
Whoa.
Fuck.
Well, there's still a little piece hanging if that's what
that?
you're saying.
That's the
Because I already broke it twice.
No, that's mounting
I
bracket.
think I did it, but
Yes.
You did it?
I already broke it.
You stopping it already?